Why you feel hot when you need to pee? Have you ever noticed that right before you pee, your body suddenly feels warm, flushed, or weirdly hot? It's not just you. And it's not random. There's an actual medical reason for it. To understand it, we need to talk about what happens when your bladder fills. As urine builds up, the bladder stretches like a balloon. That stretching activates nerves in your pelvis, and those nerves talk to a part of your nervous system that you don't really control, the autonomic nervous system. This system handles background tasks like breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and even your body temperature. So when your bladder gets full, it's not just your brain that notices. Your nervous system reacts in a cluster of side effects. One of those side effects is warmth. Some people feel flushed in their face, some feel heat in their chest, some feel it in their lower body, and some don't notice anything at all. But that's only half the story. Because when you finally go pee, something else happens. You switch from the sympathetic nervous system, the one that handles tension, stress, and holding things in, to the parasympathetic nervous system, the one that relaxes the body and lets you release. And when that switch flips, your blood pressure briefly shifts. This can make you feel warm, relaxed, and sometimes even a little euphoric. It's the same reason some people get pee shivers, that involuntary shudder right as they start peeing. Put together, you get a chain reaction: full bladder, nerve activation, autonomic response, and then a warm, relaxed release. There's also a more primitive explanation. Early humans didn't want to pee in vulnerable situations. Holding it slightly activates the fight or flight system. Once the brain decides you're safe to go, the body relaxes, heat increases, and blood pressure drops. It's the body's version of going, okay, we're done, stand down. Now, if the warmth you feel is more like burning, or if you feel pain when you pee, that's not the same thing. Burning, fever, urgency, or foul-smelling urine are more likely signs of a urinary tract infection or bladder irritation. But a gentle warmth before or during urination is normal, harmless, and surprisingly common. So the next time you feel weirdly hot right before you pee, just know it's not a glitch. It's your autonomic nervous system doing its job. Your bladder just happens to be the one pushing its buttons. And that's why you feel hot when you need to pee. If you like the video, make it official and hit the like button. And please subscribe so this medical content can reach more people who need to hear it. Until the next video, stay healthy and don't hesitate to Askadoc.